Oh. Hi internet friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a first impressions review on this product from Fudge. Now this is the Fudge Clean Blonde Violet Expander Foam, says tone expand your style. I've just had a quick read of the information in the back. It basically tones your hair, adds volume to your hair apparently by making the fibers of your hair like thicker I think, and also has some heat protection as well, which is going to come in very handy. And before getting this product I did do a bit of research. I couldn't find much information or much in terms of reviews, whether it be on YouTube or Google, like blog posts or anything like that. I really couldn't find much information, so I'm going in this blind. As you guys can see, if I pull my hair up like that, you can see various tones in my hair. So obviously I've got my roots, very dark, and then closer to my roots you've got this bit here which is slightly yellow, and then I've got sort of like platinum. I've essentially got banding, which basically means different sort of like hair colors and stuff like that, because I'm not very consistent in terms of my coloring. I do my own hair, so that's kind of expected. And then towards the ends of my hair, especially the top bits, there's still a bit of warmth there because I didn't bleach it as much. Leftover color from when I went dark blonde and light brown, but yeah, that's the current state of my hair. Obviously very oily as well, but yeah, those are the colors that this product is going to have to contend with. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair first. I think I'll just use this one. This one's from Botagen. This one is just a reconstructing like hair repair sort of like shampoo. Doesn't have any color. It does add a little bit of moisture to my hair. Also has some keratin, so just keep that in mind. But essentially in terms of color, it's not really going to do too much. If anything, it's just going to wash out any leftover toner that I have in my hair. Okay, ta-da! I have just washed my hair. I've washed it with the shampoo twice. As you guys can see, I've got knots in my hair, which honestly, it doesn't surprise me at this point in time. Normally whenever my hair has lost most of its toner, it just does this. I'm not really sure how that works, but that's what I've just kind of like associated it with, knots and just lack of toning in my hair. Usually a really hydrating shampoo and conditioner mask combo usually works, or just toning my hair in general. So I'm hoping I just get a bit of hydration, also toning, and this will not happen, but we will see. Okay, so I just kind of primed this thing and it smells really good. It smells almost fruity. I can't tell you what fruit it is because I'm horrible at describing scents, but it smells nice and it's sweet. Alright, so let's just shake it again and... oh, okay. I was hoping it was going to go a little bit darker. Like if you guys have seen my Fanola review, it's a lot darker compared to this. This one's sort of like a light purple. It smells so good. It smells like taro. That's what it is. It smells like taro. Amazing. I feel like I want to eat this, but anyway, that's what it looks like. Push my hair back like this and put one dot there because I'm going to do an Instagram reel and I want it to be quite eye-catching, so that will do. I think that would have been enough for maybe 3/4 of my hair, to be honest, but again, I'm doing this for Instagram as well, so I kind of have to exaggerate it, so yeah, just keep that in mind. I'm just using a lot of products as well. It really does smell like taro now that I have a lot of product on my head. I feel like I've got like a crown on my head. Anyway, I'm going to massage this into my hair. It's ridiculous. Yeah, again, I've used way too much, so just keep that in mind. I think some's just fallen onto the floor. Now, seeing as this isn't as pigmented as the Fanola one that I've tried, I'm going to maybe leave this in for 5 minutes as opposed to just 3. I really want to see how much toning I can get. As you guys can probably already tell on camera, it's definitely making a difference already, but we'll see what happens after a few minutes. Okay, so I've left it in my hair for 5 minutes, and as you guys can see, I've washed it out, and I don't know, I feel like it definitely has knocked out a bit of the warmth in my hair, but I don't feel like it's super cool toned, if that makes sense. First of all, it's definitely gotten rid of the knots, which is great. I will say that I feel like it has toned my hair a bit, but I don't feel like it's super cool toned, if that makes sense. Again, my hair is still wet, so I can't really judge it at this point in time, but yeah, this is what it looks like while it's still wet. So now our hair is all dried, and at this point in the review I normally just stick to the colour, but because this had other promises I also wanted to focus on that. So first of all, let's just have a look at the colour itself. Now I'm not going to lie, you probably could see on camera I was slightly disappointed that it wasn't ashier than expected, but now that my hair's all dried and styled, which is why I always say don't really judge your hair toning products until you actually dry your hair, it actually looks pretty good. It has definitely toned down the hair, especially more so the ends, not so much I guess the mid part of the hair where I had like stronger yellow orangey tones. I feel like it's still quite apparent there. Sorry if the lighting keeps shifting, but yeah, I mean, I feel like for the most part it's definitely toned it. It's much nicer, lighter tone, or brighter I should say, but I can still see some of that warmth still peeking through. Now, other promises this product had were that it's going to give you a bit of volume because it's got this fiber density sort of like technology, and it's also got some heat protection. Now, when I was drying my hair, I actually forgot that that was a promise, that it had like thermal protection, and when I was blow drying my hair, I could definitely feel there was something different about my hair, like there was a layer of product, very similar to what I would expect from a heat protection spray. But it didn't leave my hair sticky. Sometimes some of the hair protection sprays that I've used in the past, if I've oversaturated my hair, it just feels really sticky, almost like gums on my hair, like a really wet gum. But yeah, it was fine. And also when I dry my hair, usually with those products, I always feel like my hair's a bit dry, and I do feel like it is a bit dry. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the ends are a bit dry. Normally I do use a hair oil because, again, as a blonde, bleach blonde, hair is just going to be quite dry in general, but I didn't want to use that for this particular video, just so that I could just showcase how much hydration I would get from that. In terms of volume, I do feel like my hair is a tiny bit more voluminous than usual. I mean, I do blow dry my hair in the opposite direction and then kind of do that when I'm blow drying, just to give a little bit of elevation on the roots, especially around the crown. But I can definitely feel like it, but I can definitely see, and I feel like it's definitely got more volume, and you can tell that there's sort of like a volumizing product in my hair. Anyway, those are my thoughts and opinions on this product. I did get this product from Oz Hair and Beauty as part of a collaboration on my Instagram account. So if you guys would like to purchase this product, check them out. Again, linked down below in the description box down below. Also, as part of that collaboration, I did also get a few other products that also tone your hair. I've got a pearl one, I've got a beige one, I've got a golden blonde one from different brands. If that is something that you guys are interested in, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and also check out the playlist down below so you guys can watch that as well if that is something that interests you. But that's pretty much it from me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.